Hey everyone, Darwin here from the Toty Workshop. Thought I'd give you an update on some farm-related stuff happening at Spryberry Farm. Lots of things going on, so let's go take a look. Every farm worth its salt needs a little veggie garden to keep the farmers going. The one on Spryberry Farm is about half an acre. Scott will run the tractor over it at the beginning of the season to flatten it out, throw some compost on, maybe some fertilizer, and set up the water container. Donna does all the planning, prepping, planting, watering, and care for the garden, with a little bit of help from friends. We're in mid-June. Just want to take a pan and see how Donna's garden is growing. Some raspberry bushes, a whole bunch of tomatoes at the top. And in the garden somewhere, we have potato, zucchini, kale, carrot, bush bean, Swiss chard, beets, soybean, more tomatoes, pumpkin, sweet corn, squash, delicata, honey baby, I guess these are squash, celebration, sunshine, blue magic, some green onions, and a bunch of pole beans. Well, the garden's surviving. Not sure if it's thriving. It needs water for that, so we're going to go up and get a refill on this tub. We basically fill it up at the pond down at the bottom of the property and haul it back up to the garden to water the plants. This is already the third run for the season. It's going really fast because there's no rain. Back we go. Okay, so we've got another full barrel of water here, container of water for the garden. It was just one weekend of watering, drained it the last time, and they've gone in the past, got a month and a half without having to fill that container, but there's just been no rain. Plants are surviving. I don't know if they're thriving, but we'll see. Scott also gets a bunch of donkey manure from a donkey sanctuary. They get a bunch of his hay too, so we're actually seeing his hay coming back here. It's not the greatest type of manure, doesn't have a ton of nutrients and comes back with a lot of straw, but it's not nothing, and he just waits longer. Eventually it decomposes and he can spread it onto the fields. like literally making hay while the sun shines. This is so awesome. It looks like a really complicated machine. That thing is like wrapping and rolling and then pooping out rolls of hay. It's a beautiful day to do it. Cool breeze. Anyway, fun day to see the hay made.